Hey guys, in this short video, I'm going to talk with you about how to migrate your WordPress site into the RazorSharp CRM built on HighLevel so that you can leverage AI to move contacts through your customer journey more rapidly and with better results than ever before. Let me jump right into the training, and we're going to be utilizing one of our existing clients as an example. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is log in to the existing WordPress site. Through WordPress admin, you go to the domain /wp-admin. You should get the admin portal. Then you're going to go into plugins, add new plugin. Do a search for All-in-One WordPress Migration. I've already installed this one on the site itself. This is the plugin that you're looking for in the library, and then you're going to go ahead and install the plugin on the existing site, and that'll pull up the All-in-One WordPress Migration tool. And all you have to do is select export to file, and that's going to start the export process for the website. So this will export all post pages, everything, images, everything, all your plugins, everything like that, all in one package, which is really nice. It makes the migration process really easy. And then what you'll do is you're going to go over to and log into crm.razorsharpnetworks.com. Log in with the username and password provided. You're going to go down to Sites, go to WordPress. You're going to activate your WordPress subscription in case you haven't already yet. This will go ahead and add WordPress hosting from or to your CRM account. You're going to add the site from blank, and you go ahead and create it. You'll enter in your username. Make sure you enter in a password and email address that are going to be associated with the user. You're going to select the website name. For this example, we'll just add the domain. I'm going to need this domain in a bit. So we're going to go ahead and create the WordPress site. And this will build out the WordPress hosting along with set up your core applications, the WordPress core, theme, and plugins. There's a standard plugin deployment that comes out with this. This isn't our primary software implementation. This is just standard out of the box implementation of WordPress inside of the RazorSharp CRM. And then what you're going to do is right after you've set up the hosting account, you're just going to scroll to the bottom of the page, and then you're going to click upload the file. So it has instructions here on how to utilize a free plugin. You'll go ahead and click upload file. You're just going to grab the file, and you'll go ahead and upload the existing WordPress site into the RazorSharp CRM. This will set up your hosting, and then from there what you'll do is you'll configure your domain and DNS records in order to point to the new host account. This gives us the ability to move your hosting within the RazorSharp CRM for easy management, and it's also going to give us the ability to easily add forms, phone numbers, and things of that nature so that we can leverage AI in order to move contacts through the customer journey. So that's all I got for you today. If you have questions, go ahead and leave those in the comments of this video, and we'll get those handled for you. If there's specific things that you're trying to do within the RazorSharp CRM or on GoHighLevel, let us know that as well. We'll get those questions answered for you. We might record a training video and mention you in the actual video itself. So we do appreciate the feedback and the opportunity to support your efforts with moving contacts through the customer lifecycle journey or through the customer journey, utilizing customer lifecycle automation AI. That's all I got for you today. As always, make today and every day a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon.